Claim number 1138G904M. Here's the edge of the shingle here. All right. Here's the existing nail pattern. Right there. There's the existing nail pattern there as well. Right there. Right there's the existing nail pattern. Okay. Okay, this one is blown through. That nail is pulled through. Okay, that nail's pulled through as well. I can't see too good. Alright, that nail pulled through. That's now damaged. Alright, so here I'm going to demonstrate a repairable shingle. This is a new shingle. It's also a damaged shingle. I can bend back and forth. However, I want to show you, I can bend this way over. And I can't cause any granule loss or anything. The tar that holds all this together is still nice and malleable, pliable. You know, I can bend it over. I mean, I'm bending that hard. I can almost hold it down. And I'm not getting a crease or losing any granules or anything. I can use this microscope to even show. That's where my crease should be. I'll switch over to my microscope here. What's stopping me? Okay, there we go. Right, so, here's my finger. And my finger. Alright, moving the shingle. That's what a shingle should look like when it's still repairable, still malleable. I can bend it, and those granules don't move. There's no crack. That's a repairable shingle. Alright. Alright. So I got a little bit of creasing. I don't know how well you can see this, but right here and here. Just pull a nail, and that's not even going over 45. Right there. I've got that crease here and here. A little bit here. I don't know how well you can see it. There you go. And that's only going to get worse over time as the elements knock these granules off. I'm not sure how well you can see that. Got granule loss here. It's just too brittle. I can bend these back and forth all day long. Not damage it at all. Can't damage these with my skin. However, just up and down just a little bit to pull a nail. Cause these little creases here and here. Just up and down a little bit. Pull a nail and drive a nail. I've got these creases right here.